Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a quick eyebrow tutorial for you. First, we're going to start by prepping the skin by applying moisturizer. This is obviously for when you put on foundation. And then I'm going to go in with baby powder if you do not have setting powder, just to set my eyebrows, remove any excess oil. Then I'm gonna go in with my Hermosa brow soap just to keep my eyebrows in place. And the next step solely depends on you. I prefer to use my concealer to shape my brows, but you can go ahead and go in with your foundation. Once all of that is done, I'm sure you know that what you do to the left, you should do to the right. If you haven't noticed, I have not used any brow pencil to shape my eyebrows, only because I wanted a really natural light look. So I went ahead and shaped them just with concealer and did not draw them. And then again, orbiting around and then circle back around to you, coming back around to you. This look is also ideal for somebody who is going to work and cannot draw their eyebrows. You can just shape them and you'll be good to go. Okay, so for this next step, remember I said you could use your foundation. You can also use your foundation mixed with your concealer to shape the top of your brows.
I wish I could call you up, miss how you'd put your love on me. Why you got my number? Wish I could feel your touch. Wish you could follow my.
Alright, so when you're done with this step, please try and blend it out as much as you possibly can. Mine looks like this only because I applied foundation right after doing this. Some pain and some passion. Nothing is ever enough. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll fall love again. If you can take my hand, I promise we'll find love again. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And that is all you need to do to have yourself the perfect natural brows. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.